Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. Today we are at 34 Ridge Estate to view this stunning 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom property, Villa Barbary. If you're interested in viewing this property with me, let's go on inside. So we are in Ocho Rios, and where this property is located is just a turn off of Ocho Rios, the main road, turn up to go like Shar Park area, and then when you pass Konoko Falls, this is where this property is located. So really close by to Konoko Falls. Beautiful scenery, beautiful area, just this stunning naturalistic area. You guys, so I had to start the tour here at the entrance of the property, and as you can see, you guys, lots and lots of land space. Like all of this that you're seeing in the camera view is a part of the property. All right, all of it, all of it, all of it, all of it. So here's your lovely design that welcomes you to Villa Barnaby. And then the first building you're going to see as you make your way up is the helpers quarters. All right, so that's a nice little unit for staff, nice staff accommodation. And then adjacent, well, across from that, you also have your water storage area, which is really convenient. So yeah, so you have that water tank right there, you have the entrance leading up, and then you have the helpers quarters right over there. So now let us make our way to the villa. Once you make your way inside, you are taken to this stunning indoor-outdoor courtyard that, you guys, this is just so unreal, so beautiful. The architectural style here is this old Georgian architecture style, such a classic. Oh my gosh, just so beautiful, so stunning. A lot of natural light is coming in. You just have this nice indoor outdoor feature, great for the plants and just great for your overall mood, because who would want to just wake up and step outside and just right outside of their living room to see this? So beautiful, so lovely. And then in this area, you have your kitchen attached, dining area, living area, and then some bedrooms. So this is the kitchen. So just outside that very cozy kitchen, you have your formal dining area which will seat up to like 6 or 8 persons. Really, really nice area. Really love this. And it has these lovely glass doors that give you a great view of the outdoors. Now let's head on over to the living space, and I'm going to call this a living space because listen, it really is a space. You can do so much with this area. You have so many different seating options. You have this area here where you can sit in the center and just view outside. You have a dining area right here with this glass table. You have another sitting area over here, and then you have these stunning glass doors, sliding glass doors, which will take you outside. Or if you just want to stay inside, you're going to get the full view of Ocho Rios from any one of your dining or living situations. This is not even the full living space. This is like a dining, this is just a space, okay? Because here we're going to go into the official living room now. Again, truly, truly beautiful. Lots and lots of views of Ocho Rios. Absolutely stunning. What I want to mention about this property is that no matter which room you are in, you are going to get some form of an ocean view, property view, just really stunning mountain views or ocean views. And I'll show you that as we go through each room at this property. You guys, listen, when I tell you, even from the bathrooms, every bathroom has a view, every bedroom has a view. You'll see, don't worry. So let us tour now the bedrooms on the first level. So here you have a first bedroom, and you just have this nice little seating area outside of the bedroom. And as I said before, views from every room, and then these lower ground floor rooms will also have, access that will take you straight out to that outdoor balcony area. So as you can see, you can just open those doors right there and go straight out to the balcony. And yes, that's your view right out there. If you are interested in viewing this property and getting further information, you'll reach out to Cavendish International Realty. I'll have all their information on the screen. I'll also have it in the description box. I'll also have it at the end of the video. Don't worry, it will all be there. So we just finished looking at that other bedroom and the bathroom for this main ground level here. So let's go on upstairs and let's look at the other bedrooms upstairs. Really stunning views to see. I just love all the art and just the character of this home. As you can tell, it's really something so different, so unique, so cute, so chic. So let's tour the bedrooms upstairs and also the bathrooms. So we're at the landing area, and here is the other bathroom that's on the first floor. This one is going to have a shower and vanity, really cute art. And again, views of the great outdoors and stunning Ocho Rios. And then here we are going to go into the master suite, after we take a look at the view. So stunning. Listen, this is from your bathroom. Wow. And now here is the master suite. So this master suite also has its own ensuite bathroom. You have this balcony, as you rise, you just take a cup of coffee and you just step right on out to get these stunning views of Ocho Rios right from your master bedroom. This house is just so charming, so cute. You guys, just give the video a like if you're loving what you're seeing. Comment down below, tell me what you think. Aren't these views to die for? All right, so let's head on out of this master suite and let's check out the other bathroom and bedroom that's on this upper floor. So it will be a great secondary bedroom area that we're going to see again. Every room has stunning views. You also have this lovely linen closet here, which is quite convenient. So let's take a look inside this room. Such a charming old English style home, and this is the bathroom again with those views with so much natural light coming in. So this property would be great for Airbnb. It'll be great to rent out as just this super cute villa. So many options for this one, so many options. Great investment property. All right, there you go again with your views from the bathroom. Like, it doesn't get better than this. It doesn't. So let's head on now back downstairs to view the exterior of this property. So cute, so charming. So we are outside now. This is just by the front area, just that front driveway area. And now we're going to go towards the side yard. And we're going to look at the pool. We're going to look at the little grill area. I'm going to show you the extent of the land space here because I don't even think I can do it justice. So much acreage. Really, really nice. So here is the side of the house, and then we're going to follow this pathway and go around to the pool. So just here's my little friend here. He's just chilling. He's just chilling all day. You do have this nice little outdoor grill pit area. You can roast your breadfruit, do your little barbecues right there. Really cute. And now this pathway takes you around to the pool and the pool house. So yes, this property does have a pool. Really, really cute, super charming, and just the perfect size pool for this villa. Again, I said great one for Airbnb, great investment property. Everything you need is just already set up and ready to go for this one. as we exit the pool area, we're just going to take a look at, just some of the grounds here. As I said, so much land space, all of this going all the way back is a part of the property. You're truly one with nature up here, just so nice. So if you want a little backyard farm and if you want to expand, it's very possible. Here's that little pit area. You can do some roasting and some barbecuing. And let's now go around towards the side of the house to just show you even more of the stunning Ocho Rios views and all the access and convenience that you will have on this property. So as you can see, we're going past that dining area, we're going past that seating area, all this natural light, so beautiful. When I was up here, you guys, I was just truly just at peace. And that's the type of property this is. That's the vibe it gives you. It's just like a peaceful, tranquil type of energy. And you feel the energy. And the energy that nature is giving to you, it's just going to bounce back off of you and just help you also to give that calm and peaceful energy. You do have this lovely outdoor seating area. And you can just come out. All these rooms just have this access to this balcony that wraps all the way around the house, and you just come out and get the views. It was a bit of a cloudy day. We had some cloud cover, so you weren't even seeing the views 100%, but you could see just the entire town of Ocho Rios. So stunning. Love it. So we are back at the entrance of this property just to do our final lap around the property and just do this last leg. The last thing I want to show you guys, and while we walk, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Also want to thank Cavendish International Realty for allowing me the opportunity to view this property and taking you guys along with me. So you guys give this video a like, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, tell me what was your favorite part of this tour. And guys, remember, if you need to book an appointment for viewing, if you need further information, you're going to reach out to Cavendish. I have all their information at the screen. sales@cavendishrealtyjm.com. That's their email. Their number is also on the screen. And if you're a realtor and you are interested in working with me, you're going to email me at britonnyhaye@yahoo.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Safe Haven.